Hi there! Today's phonemic awareness training lesson, we're on week 21 and we're doing Monday. So you're going to do a thumbs up or a thumbs down if the words rhyme. Saw, draw. Fault, vault. Port, chart. Yawn, yarn. Burn, born. Bark, shark. Straw, paw. Twirl, girl. All right, now I'm going to say the word and you're going to repeat the word and isolate the beginning sound. So for example, I'll say saucer and you'll say saucer, s. Let's try that together. Saucer, saucer, s. Yawning, daughter. Awful, haunted. Very good. Now you're going to say the phonemes for each word. For example, sausage. You would say sausage, but I'm going to say s-a-s-a-j, and then you'll say sausage. So let's try the first one together. L-ah. You'll say law. Good. Next, h-a-o. P-a-m. Ch-a-k. A-t-o. L-er-ch. L-a-m. B-a-l-d. D-a-t-er. F-a-s-et. Faucet. Good. Now I'm going to say the word and you're going to repeat the word and you're going to tell me what the middle sound is. So for example, if I say lawn, you're going to say lawn, ah. So let's try that together. Lawn, lawn, ah. Good, you got it. Next one is mark. Hurt. Hall. Fort. Dart. Girl. Good job, keep it up. Got one more page to go. Now I'm going to say the word. You're going to repeat the word and you're going to break it apart. Sauce. Jaunt. Before. Twirler. Paul. Launch. Claw. Fault. Yawn. Taught. Good. Now this is one of our favorites where I'm going to say the word and you're going to have to add the ending. So for example, if I say draw, you say draw. And I'm going to say add N at the end of the word is drawn. Very good. So let's try the first one together. Law. You say law. Add at the end and you should say lawn. Here we go. Zoo. Add to the end and you have Zoom. Good. That's the classes we're taking too on Zoom. All right, next word. Claw. Add s and you have, good, fine. Add d to the end, and you have find. Very good. All right. Pa. Add s. Pause. Good. Fur. Add fur. Add n to the end, and you have fern. Very good. All right, now you're going to delete from the end. So for example, lawn without n is law. Drawn without n is draw. Torch without ch is tore. Fault without t is fall. Grape without p is gray. Storm without is store. Batter without is bat. Straws without z is straw. Halt without t is hall. Pine without is pie. Very good job. That concludes our phonemic awareness language lesson for Monday. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.